Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy municipal bonds using Etrade. Municipal bonds are a popular investment choice due to their tax advantages and relative safety. To get started, you'll first need to create an account with Etrade if you haven't done so already. Visit the Etrade website, click on Open an Account, and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once your account is set up and funded, log into your Etrade account. Navigate to the Trading section and select Bonds. From there, you can access the Bond Search tool. Type in Municipal Bonds, or look for options to filter the available bonds by category. This will help you find the municipal bonds that meet your investment goals, such as maturity date and credit quality. After you've found a municipal bond that interests you, click on it to view more detailed information. Take note of the bond's price, yield, and other key details. If you are satisfied with your choice, you can enter the amount you wish to purchase. Follow the prompts to review your order and ensure everything looks correct before confirming the transaction. Once you place your order, you'll receive confirmation of your purchase. Keep track of your investment by monitoring the performance of the bond through your Etrade account. Remember to consider the tax implications and potential risks associated with municipal bonds as you manage your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching this tutorial on buying municipal bonds with Etrade.